Rate cuts and rising dollars, a new era in monetary policy. The dollar is on the rise as investors anticipate key U.S. economic data and a potential rate-cutting cycle initiated by a monetary policy meeting in Canada. Despite this, the dollar has been at a near two-month low due to signs of a weakening U.S. economy, which strengthens the case for earlier Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. The Bank of Canada's meeting precedes a European Central Bank meeting, and with Canada's annual inflation rate slowing to a three-year low of 2.7%, there's an increased expectation of an interest rate cut. The market predicts an 80% chance of a Canadian rate cut and a 65 basis point policy easing by year-end. The U.S. dollar index rose slightly, but markets are pricing the Fed to cut rates almost as much as the ECB. However, growth and inflation dynamics could make the Fed less dovish than other central banks, presenting an opportunity for investors to go long dollars. In other currencies, the euro is down slightly against the dollar, and the yen slipped about 0.8% to 155.90 per dollar. The Australian and New Zealand dollars remained stable after less dire domestic economic news than feared. Emerging markets have stabilized after a turbulent few days. The Mexican peso steadied after a significant drop, and India's rupee recovered from a 7-week low following election results. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.